Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. We are from Group 11. My name is Fatima Tuzari Izatunisa Pamuji, and my teammates are Nazila Talabiba Agasha and Surya Bayu Aji. Today we will present a summary and analysis of a video titled The Sweet Future of Vertical Farming presented by Hiroki Koga. In this presentation, we will first explain the main idea of the talk and the problem discussed in the video. After that, we will analyze several sentences using different English tenses. Then we will explain some difficult vocabulary from the talk. And finally, we will conclude with what we learned from the video. The video focuses on the future of agriculture through the development of vertical farming technology. Vertical farming is a method of growing crops indoors, usually in stacked layers inside building. And in this system, farmers control important environmental factors such as light, temperatures, humidity, and nutrients. This allows plants to grow in stable and carefully managed environment. In the talk, Hiroki Koga explains that the global agricultural system is facing several serious challenges. This includes climate change, limited farmland, water shortage, and the environmental impact of pesticides. He also shares a personal experience that inspired his work. When he first moved to US or United States in 2015, he visited a grocery store and noticed that many strawberries looked large and attractive. However, when he tasted them, he found that they were not very sweet. This moment made him realize that modern agriculture often focuses on appearance and large-scale production rather than flavor and quality. As a result, Hiroki Koga decided to develop vertical farming technology to grow high-quality strawberries with better taste, and his company uses controlled environment, artificial intelligence, robotics, and indoor pollination system to produce strawberries that are both sweet and sustainable. Overall, the talk shows how innovation and technology can transform agriculture and help solve global food production challenges.
Now we will analyze several sentences and explain their structure and tense. First, this simple present tense. Example sentence: vertical farming grows crop in controlled environment. In this sentence, the subject is vertical farming, the verb is grows, and the object is grows. Base verb is grow, but it becomes grows because the subject is third person singular. This sentence uses the simple present tense because it's stating a general fact, and it describes how vertical farming works in general, not in specific time. Next, the present continuous tense. Example sentence: farmers are using advanced technology to improve crop production. In this sentence, the subject is farmers, the to be is are, and the verb is using. We use are because the subject is plural, and we add ing to the verb use, so it becomes using. This tense used because the action is happening now or in current period. So farmers are currently using technologies. Next, the simple past tense. Example sentence: Hiroki Koga came to United States in 2015. In this sentence, the subject is Hiroki Koga and the verb is came. The word came is the past form of come. In this sentence, use the simple past tense because the action is happening in the past, which is in 2015. Finally, the present perfect tense. Example sentence: vertical farming has helped farmers grow crops more efficiently. The subject is vertical farming, the verb is has, and the main verb is help. We use has, not have, because the subject is singular, and help is the past participle or verb 3 of help. This tense is used because the action starts in the past but still continues until now, so vertical farming still give benefit in the present.
Next, we will explain several important vocabulary words from the video. The first word is vertical farming. Vertical farming refers to the practice of growing crops in vertical stacked layer inside building or controlled indoor environment. Example: many cities are exploring vertical farming as a way to produce fresh food locally. The second word is pollination. Pollination is the process in which pollen move from the male part of a flower to the female part, allowing plants to produce fruit or seed. Example: bees play an important role in pollination for many fruit crops. The third word is sustainable. Sustainable means something that can continue over a long period of time without causing damage to the environment or natural resource. Example, sustainable farming practice help protect soil, water, and ecosystem. The fourth is artificial intelligence, often called AI. Artificial intelligence refers to a computer system that can analyze data and perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Example, a farmer use artificial intelligence to monitor plant health and improve crop production. In calculation, this video shows how vertical farming can play an important role in the future of agriculture. This technology allows farmers to grow high-quality crops in the controlled environment while using fewer natural resources. From this presentation, we learned that innovation, technology, and creative thinking can help address many global challenges in fruit production. Thank you for your attention. That concludes our presentation.